Hi, I'm Seth and I'm a product specialist here at Mobile Stairlift. In this video, what I'm gonna do is I'll show you how to install the battery and how to properly charge your Genesis Stairlift. The Mobile Stairlift Genesis is our most popular portable stairlift, trusted for its strength, comfort, and ease of use when transporting individuals up or down stairs in a secure seated position. Now, let's take a look at how to install your battery. What you're gonna do is begin by locating the battery slot under the seat, which is right here, towards the back of the stairlift, and lock the wheels on the chair to keep it stable. Align the battery's connector with the port on the frame and slide it in until you hear a click. This means the battery is locked in place. To remove the battery, press the release button and gently slide it out. This is useful for charging outside the unit or storing the battery when not in use. To charge the battery, plug the charger into a wall outlet, then connect it to the charging port on the battery while it's installed in the stairlift. Alternatively, you can remove the battery and charge it separately. We do recommend charging the battery after each use and avoiding full discharge to help extend the battery life. And that's it, your Genesis Stairlift is now powered and ready. For more tips and how-to videos, visit us anytime at mobilestairlift.com. Thanks for watching.